Hello friends, welcome back to Bee Brother YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Joseph Basumati, over 19 years experience on modern scientific beekeeping. Friends, today I'm gonna demonstrate and inspect the beehive to know the status of the brood condition. Friends, every beekeeper should inspect their bee colonies once a week. So it is mandatory to know all the status of brood chamber and to know the super chamber. Every beekeeper is mandatory to check once a week. Friends, today I'm gonna review, I'm gonna demonstrate you, I'm gonna show you how I'm going to operate, how I'm going to inspect inside the bee colony, friends. So that video will be very much helpful for you beginner beekeepers and who are the progressive beekeepers. Yeah, no problem, no doubt, I have nothing to say. Even the experienced beekeeper also can watch these videos, friends. So especially these beginner beekeepers, they used to be very much confused to check their brood inside the hive to know the status and brood development. Friends, that video is going to be helpful for each and every one of us who are willing to do beekeeping practices. Friends, without delaying, let's go and see what is going to be offered. So before you manipulate, before you handle the beehives, we need this device. This is called smoker. The smoker is one device. It produces the smoke to calm down the bees so as to get less sting by the bees. It helps or it saves honeybees as well as the beekeeper from getting stung. Once bee is stung, bees die. If the stingers remain with our body part, bees will die. And even the beekeeper, they will get annoyed. I mean to say, the beekeepers will not feel good for work. So we need this device, smoker, just to help from stinging. So friends, this device is something like that. You need this coconut fiber or coconut skin, the dry coconut skin you can use, or else you can use this skin, this arecanut. So that dry arecanut skin just fill in the smoker. Yes, need to be tightened little bit. So I'm gonna go open the box. So before that, let me pop few smoke. Okay, so nice, great. So I puff some smoke so that I can handle easily. Yes, it's fading. There is a sugar syrup. Sugar syrup has given few hours ago. Colony was dry. That's why sugar syrup is required once a week by giving 300 to 400 ml. So yeah, so the super chamber I'm going to put it on top of this top cover. Let me have a look inside. Yeah. Oop. This knife. Let me pick up one frame. Wow. So brood is not that much good. Whoa. It's a great. Means that the pollen collection has been done effectively by the bees. There is a pollen lot here. Pollen store in this frame. No. Oop, oop. Next frame. What is there? That's great. So very good brood. So good. All this brood. So maximum there is this pupa. Actually honeybees develop through 4 stages: eggs into larva, larva into pupa, pupa into adult bees. So you will see there are lots of pupa. These are a seal. So lots of new bees are emerged from these cells. These are all good brood. Good brood. Just see, this is the seal brood. Lots of many worker bees already emerged. So that's good condition. Nothing to worry this colony. It's nice. It's great. This is growth period already started. In the growth period, most of the time this worker bees, the bee foragers, they will go and get the maximum this pollen from the flowers, but nectar is not much due to not available of nectar in the flowers. So we need to feed sugar syrup so that bees will start building this new fresh comb. Means we need to renew the old comb by allowing the making the new fresh comb. So that's good. It's not bad. I like it. This colony is quite good. Yeah. It's good. Nice. That's amazing. Okay. So have a look. Last few days ago, so all comb has been renewed with new fresh comb. So uncover brood comb which is less content of eggs and this larva, pupa, then pollen. Means it is rejected by the bees. The comb is already infested with the wax moth, so that we have removed already. Then see, looking into that comb is quite good. Yeah, this is lots of pollen. Natural pollen has been collected by the bee foragers. I'll jog and show you. Yeah, see, so these are this yellow, pink, red colors which are already inside the cells, inside the comb. Means pollen is collected by the bee foragers. Great, this area is quite good. So this indicates that brood development is gradually coming up. Nothing to worry now. So a beekeeper need to check once a week in order to know the status of the brood condition. So the last week one frame was disposed that infected with wax moth. This is the empty frame. Now this empty frame you just kept serially, and the sugar syrup need to be fed weekly as the nectar source is not available in nature, so we need to give the sugar syrup once a week. So even though we cut the old comb, but we are giving tin sugar syrup 1:1 ratio, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar boiling, and after getting cooled we are feeding for the bees. So with this tin sugar syrup, this workers bees, means nurse bees, they will start building new fresh comb with the help of sugar syrup, and slowly into new fresh comb the queen will start laying eggs. So that means that this is the growth period, October. In this October we need to check every colony, that is called the inspection of bee colony. So before honey flow come, all combs should be disposed. So disposed in the sense the where there is no eggs, larva, pupa, and already infected with that wax moth, those combs we need to remove 1 or 2 in a week, and slowly the new other fresh combs are built by the worker bees. Lots of pollen store we can see here. That means now the rainy season also, post monsoon, this is called post monsoon. Rainy season is getting over now. Now bees are very much busy in search of pollen and nectar in the nature. So we as a beekeeper, we need to remove this infected old comb and give the sugar syrup. With that very fast the worker bees will build the fresh combs and queen will lay eggs, and the population will be multiply very fast. This is how we beekeeper do. So one beekeeper should understand all the know the status of the brood condition. So friend, this is all about the bee inspection, bee manipulation by the beekeeper. So I like this colony, it's developing. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and share with your friends so that bees and beekeeping can spread all over the world to you. Friends, thank you so much for watching. Once again, God bless you all. Love you.